team, happy first day of school. We worked with some problems today that were an extension of the summer assignment that you did, and it was interesting to see the different ways that people approached this kind of puzzler. So what I asked you to do this summer was to make the numbers 1 through 40 using 4 fours. Exactly 4 fours, no more, no fewer. When you came in today, I asked you to do the same, making numbers between 0 and 30 this time, but with 5 fives. And people moved to their whiteboards, and I saw that there was some hesitation. And I found that it was those teams that were able to get the most done were those teams that applied this strategy that I'm just going to call do something. You see a problem, stop, have a reaction to it. Maybe that reaction is, oh no, I have no idea what to do. Try something. So, for example, if you need to come up with all of the numbers, or as many numbers as you can, between 0 and 30, you don't have to start with 1. You don't have to say, well, 1 is equal to this, and start that right away. Try playing with it. You know your tools. You know that you have 5 fives to play with. Just start with those 5 fives. Say, okay, I have those 5s. What can I do? Start with what you're comfortable with. I saw several people who focused on addition and subtraction here. I said, well, what happens if I just do 5 plus 5 plus 5, and I do that 5 times? Well, that's going to give me 25. Good, that's one of the numbers I need. Well, let me do something with that now. If I do 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, but now instead of adding 5, what else could I do? I could subtract 5. So that would be 20 minus 5. That would be 15. I could do 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. I could divide by 5. But remember, if I want to divide all of this by 5, then I would want to use parentheses. So now I could say that I have 20 divided by 5, which gives me 4. So right there in about 2 minutes, I've already got 3 different numbers that fit my criteria. They all use exactly 5 fives. I can check off the 5s as I use them, but they all are going to work. And they might get me the same number, and that just tells me then that I need to try something else. If I get 25 a different way, or if I get 15 a different way, cool, it's nice to see that I can get a different way, but now let me see what else could I do. Just do something.